to a day in the life of an entrepreneur, a CEO, hustler. It's a lot. I do a lot. If you're new to my page, me and my mom are business owners. Me and my mom is a partnership. Let me fix my robe too. I know everyone talks about my robe online, but anyway, it's fine. So back to what I was saying, new mom, we own a lot of stuff. We own an online boutique. We do pop-ups every week. We own our own marketplace. Yeah, catch up on the blogs, all that. But today is gonna be a day in the life of a CEO that is getting a vacation, y'all. It's been back to back to back to back of pop-ups for me and my mom. Juneteenth is actually my mom's birthday, and we did a pop-up. So literally that whole weekend, me and my mom were doing pop-ups. Even before then, we had private bar gigs. Like, I'm a bartender as well. Well, I used to be a bartender, so I just do private events and all that. So we just been working, and we didn't do anything for my mom's birthday, of course, because we was at the Juneteenth. We was doing pop-ups at Juneteenth. If you haven't seen those vlogs, I'm gonna pop them somewhere here, or also probably just, you know what, I'm gonna put the playlist. I can't even speak, y'all. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning. The playlist somewhere so you guys can catch up on those. Yes, that being said, why is that closing? Okay, this box is giving me a problem. But so that being said, me and my mom are doing a road trip. What the heck? Okay, I don't think I closed it. Yeah, it's late. And where's her perfume? Okay, here. So me and my mom are going on a road trip, so we're gonna be ready for that. This is the perfume. Every purchase gets a little gift from us. And I'm multitasking, y'all. We have 2 orders. 2 people placing an order. So I'm gonna package it out and we're gonna ship it. I'm gonna ship it tomorrow before my hair appointment. So, I'm sorry, y'all, all over the place. But yeah, so we're doing a road trip. So this vlog that I am filming is gonna be preparation for our road trip, and we're going to my favorite spot. I know it's for my mom's birthday, but okay, this is not working, y'all. So it is for my mom's birthday, but we're gonna live it up. It's gonna be Rick Ross in concert this weekend and the baby. I'm not a fan of the baby, but some of his music, you know, I can rock with, so that's what we're going to. So we're doing a road trip to a concert, 2 concerts in Vegas this weekend. It's gonna be a whole vibe. So after I package these orders, I'm going to sleep. We have shopping everything. It's gonna be a busy day, like always, because my hair appointment, thank gosh she could squeeze me in. My hair appointment is gonna be at what time was it? I think 11. And then I need to go grocery shopping because for road trips, you guys know we need snacks. One order is packaged. The next one. Oh my god, I'm dropping everything. And of course, I did not pack yet, so. Let me examine this. Okay. I'm sorry. So my ring light is so bright, but this is what she's getting. Hopefully you can see it. Is it helpful? Is that helpful? I know a lot of furniture does that. Does that? Do that? Alright. I'm so tired, y'all. Oh, let's put this at the bottom. Oh my god. So yeah, I'm so tired. I need to get some rest. I can sleep while she's doing my hair. But other than that, I'm grateful for people who place an order, but also I'm just like, I'm so ready to do a vacation. Like when you're always busy like we are, and you have to do more stuff that you want to do. Does that make sense? You gotta do more stuff that you want to do. Yeah. My hair is a mess, y'all. And like I said, that's why the camera is low. I'm gonna get this fixed tomorrow though. So 2 orders are packaged. Let's go get some rest and then start tomorrow. Today, well, it's like I said, it's 2 o'clock in the morning right now. But yeah, packages are ready. Let's go. Okay, so I got a small coffee and I had a breakfast sandwich from McDonald's. Their coffee is not that bad. I feel like their coffee is better than Starbucks. And you guys know I'm in love with Starbucks, y'all. So I'm just chilling in the parking lot. I'm gonna get my wax real quick and then my hair appointment, and it's right next door to each other. So I'm making amazing time. But I don't even know how long it's gonna take for my hair. Usually it's like 5 or 6 hours. You guys know I still have not packed for this road trip for the concert, which is tomorrow at 6 o'clock in the morning. We have to leave. So hydration. Okay, so I think I'm ready. I just need 2 bottles of liquor and my phone's gonna die. I'm on like 5%, y'all. Hopefully it does not die. I want to get this footage before anything. So bad. I did not unpack when we went to Aruba. Yeah, this is bad. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to take out all the, yeah, I'm going to wash everything. I'm taking out the old clothes. I'm going to wash them. Not now though, to be honest. Because I have some more clothes I have to, I have other clothes I need to wash. So I lowered the camera just a little bit so you guys can see. I have my shoes. These are like my go-to shoes. These were the worst purchase of my life. These are from Shein. They hurt. They're so flat. Yeah, I get yours. So I did plan it out. Actually, no, I didn't. I didn't plan it out well, like what I'm gonna wear. And this is probably TMI, but originally this whole weekend it's supposed to be that, you know, that time of the month, but it came a few days early, so I'm happy about that. So I don't have to really worry about it. So I can wear anything I would want this weekend. Do not laugh at this. This is my speakers. They're so old. They work. They're so good. I still turn up with it. So of course I need to pack that. This is a curling iron, of course. I'm not bringing this because, and then the glove to go with it. I'm not bringing this because my hair is straight. My last vacation I had curly, you guys know. I'm looking at my purses. So of course I didn't, like I said, I really didn't plan this out. It's a spur of the moment thing. Usually when I go on vacation I buy everything new. You guys already know. That's a little guilty pleasure of mine, and it's not a good habit to have, but I do that. I do that. So literally everything I get usually is new. This time it was spur of the moment trip, so all I have is probably like 2 to 3 dresses that I bought. I bought them for something else, but I'm like, I might as well wear it to this. This first so cute. I don't think I'm wearing red. Or am I? Oh wait, I could wear this. I have a cute red swimsuit I had never worn. This probably go with it because this is a pool party I want to go to. French Montana is gonna be performing. So this whole weekend is all about celebrities, y'all. I'm not like a groupie or nothing, but it's gonna be lit. I feel it. So I need to look good. And you guys know I'm gonna vlog. Hopefully my hair is not gonna be messed up. I am so not prepared, y'all. I'm trying to think. And if I do pack a hat, it's make my hair and my edges look worse. You know what I mean? This is the newest purchase. So freaking cute. I bought this for graduation for me. I definitely want an outfit to match this. So I just bought this. I tried it on. It's too big. I wish I got a size small. Oh, sorry. I'm not in my nose with this itching. So, okay. Let's redo that. So this outfit I just purchased this week actually. I tried it on. I wish I got a smaller size, but I still like it. I don't want to return it. The top is a halter top, so I'm gonna have to do a little finessing to make that work. But you know, we're gonna get it together. And it's so good that we're driving because let me take these purses out. I can get a dust bag for this purses actually. So it's a good thing that we're driving because I can bring as much stuff as I want. Yeah. So basically I just need to start washing clothes. So I have the main foundation. I didn't bring another swimsuit just because I don't like this one that I got. I don't have time to. My Gucci's in love with those. I guess you can tell that I love YSL. This is the one there. It's like my go-to purse. Alright, we're bringing that. Let me bring this one too. So all YSL. I need to hurry up actually. So I don't have any underclothes or anything like that packed because I need to wash clothes. Toothpaste and a toothbrush. I wore this before, this cute little blue set. It's Skims inspired. I'm gonna throw it in here just in case, like if I need something to throw on and like I want to run downstairs or something, just throw this on. How many outfits was that? And I'm only staying for the weekend, y'all. I think that's enough. No, it's not actually. So basically, if I don't like something, I'm gonna have to wear it because I don't have a backup plan. Okay, I gotta go. This is what we're going to all these dirty clothes. I need to put them somewhere. I need to start washing clothes. So I need to wash clothes and then finish packing. I need to pack my makeup. We got so much to do, yeah. Makeup and my big purse, my travel purse, my little duffel bag. So yeah, we got lots of stuff to do.